Hello, welcome back. Today we will learn how to say "How are you?" in German language. We have learned one way to say that in the previous lesson, which was "Wie geht's?", which means "How are you?" So in this video we will learn some more phrases. So let's start without wasting time. So we have two ways to say "How are you?" Formal and informal. Formal means those phrases which you use with foreigners and strangers and also with older people. And informal means those phrases which you use with friends and family and also younger people. So, wie geht es Ihnen? Wie geht es Ihnen? Wie geht es Ihnen? Which means how are you? But formal. Wie, how. Geht means going. Es is. Ihnen, you, formal. Wie geht es Ihnen? How are you? You can answer like this. Gut und Ihnen. Gut und Ihnen means good. And you? Gut means good. Und means and. Ihnen means you, formal. Gut und Ihnen, good. And you? And the other way is wie geht es dir? Wie geht es dir? Wie geht es dir? Or shorter, wie geht's dir? Wie geht's dir? Wie geht's dir? Or the shortest way is wie geht's? Wie geht's? Wie geht's? All of them have the same meaning. How are you? But informal. Here only dir is different. And the rest of the sentences are same. And dir means you, informal. And you can answer like this. Gut und dir? Gut und dir. It means good. And you? Gut means good. Und means and. Dir means you, but informal. Wie geht's dir? Gut. Und dir? Here are some phrases to answer to this question. Sehr gut. Sehr gut. Sehr gut. Very good. Sehr means very. Gut means good. Super. 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 Es geht. Es geht. It's okay. Es means is. Geht means goes or going. It's like it's going. So. Geht so. Geht so. Geht so. It's also like so. Not good, not bad. Nicht so gut. Nicht so gut. It means not so good. Nicht so gut. Nicht means not. So means so. Gut means good. Nicht so gut. Not so good. Or you can say schlecht. 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 It means bad. That's all. Now I think you can have a little conversation with German people. Just watch the video again and learn as I explained and start using it in your life. But before I end the video, I want to explain something. Firstly, if someone asks, wie geht es dir? Wie geht es dir? You will answer gut und dir, not und du. Some people make that mistakes when they are learning German language. So don't use that. The question is with dir, so you will also answer and ask with dir, not with do, okay? Learn as it is and use them. You don't need to make phrases by yourself because phrases and words are already in German. You just need to learn the correct phrases and words. And the second thing is, when you want to say I'm good, you will not say ich bin gut, which means I am good, but it is used in other places. Like if you are good in something, you will say Ich bin gut im Fußball, which means I am good in soccer. Okay? Don't say Ich bin gut when you answer to Wie geht es dir? Ich means I, bin means am, gut, good. If someone says Wie geht es dir, you can answer like this. Mir geht es gut. Mir geht es gut. Mir geht es gut, which means I'm good. Mir means me, to me. Geht, going. Es is good, good. So, to me, going is good. It's translated literally, but the correct translation is I'm fine or I'm good. So that's all for today. Make sure to like the video and share with others, and subscribe to Language Animated channel for more German lessons. Thanks for watching. Bis später.